What's the meaning of cutting board? Cutting board. Cutting board.
Cutting board. Cutting board. A cutting board is a flat, sturdy surface used for cutting food items with a knife. It provides a safe and stable platform for slicing, dicing, and chopping ingredients without damaging countertops or knives. Cutting boards can be made from various materials, including wood, plastic, and bamboo, and come in a variety of sizes and shapes to suit the user's needs. They are an essential tool in any kitchen, providing a hygienic surface for food preparation and helping to prolong the lifespan of kitchen knives by reducing wear and tear.